Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the form validation using JavaScript and the HTML. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we will check the form validation. Let me restart this. So when I submit this, all fields are required. So I'll put this all fields, okay, and submit. Please enter an email address, okay. Until or unless I'm going to fill all the values invalid phone number. So let's add the phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Might be form submitted. Okay, as you see that the message is there and automatically it reset. So let's see how it gonna be done. So you have to create a simple form first, okay, with your input IDs, right? And here return on submit, that is validate form. In this validate form, we are going to add the validations. Okay, first of all, get all the values, right? So name, email, phone. So I'm going to get the values with trim without spaces. Okay, after this come after this we get by element by id. Now we are checking name, email and phone number, all fields are required, right? Because each one is required. So here, if it is not, then we will show the message that all fields are required with the error class we are going to add. That should be red color, okay. Here you can see, here we have the input button color red, right? And here we have a message to show, okay, right? So here message, and the message dot class name should be the error, okay. After this we have a email regex to check that the email validation is correct or not. So here we are checking. If it is not correct, we are going to return false with error email valid, invalid email format, okay. Next we have a phone regex. So here we are calculating or validating the invalid phone number, okay. So up to your 10 digits it is valid, else it will show the error. After that, everything is done, then we are going to, if everything is valid, then we are going to make it text content with the text form submit successfully and return true. So this is how the form validation happens, right? So if you are working in a JavaScript and the HTML, so this is how you are able to do the form validations, right? Okay, it can be more advanced with more things that can be used, but the basic scenario is like you have a form, you have a function, and in function whatever you part you want to do, you can do over here. After that, if you want, if it is form submitted successfully, you can call the API, send the data to the database also, okay. So this is how you can do the form validation. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.